Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us now begin solving this step by step. We analyze each molecule for hybridization of carbons and bond counts. Concepts: sp3 carbon, 4 single bonds, tetrahedral. sp2 carbon, involved in one double bond, C is equal to C or C is equal to O, or aromatic ring, trigonal planar. sp carbon, involved in triple bond or cumulated double bonds, linear. C to C sigma bonds, every C to C single bond is equal to 1 sigma, C is equal to C has 1 sigma plus 1 pi, CC has 1 sigma plus 2 pi. Pi bonds to carbon, each C is equal to C or C is equal to O contributes 1 pi, each CC contributes to pi, Cn contributes to pi, but only pi bonds to carbon are counted. Molecule A, 4 isopropanol, 1 methylenciclohexane, 2 exocyclic double bonds on cyclohexane, Structure: cyclohexane ring width is equal to CH2 at C1 and CH3 is equal to CH2 at C4. Carbons: C1 is equal to CH2, sp2, CH2, EXO, sp2, C2, ring, sp3, C3, ring, sp3, C4, ring, sp3, C5, ring, sp3, C6, ring, sp3, CH3 is equal to sp2, CH2, EXO2, sp2, CH3, sp3. Total carbons, 10. sp3, C to C3, C4, C5, C6, CH3 is equal to 6. Answer: I is equal to 6. sp2, C1 is equal to CH2, top, C, isopropanol, is equal to CH2, bottom, is equal to 4. Answer: 2 is equal to 4. sp0, answer: 3 is equal to 0. C to C sigma bonds, ring has 6 C to C bonds, C1 to EXO, CH2 is equal to 1, C4 to C, isopropanol, is equal to 1, C, isopropanol, to CH3 is equal to 1, C, isopropanol, to is equal to CH2 is equal to 1, total is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Answer: 4 is equal to 10. Pi bonds to carbon, C1 is equal to CH2 gives 1 pi, C, isopropanol, is equal to CH2 gives 1 pi, total is equal to 2. Answer: V is equal to 2. Molecule B, phenyl CCO2H, 3-phenyl propiolic acid, Carbons, 6, benzene ring, plus CC, 2 carbons, plus C, is equal to O, or 1 carbon, is equal to 9 carbons total. sp3, none. Answer: I is equal to 0. sp2, 6, benzene, plus C, is equal to O, or is equal to 7. Answer: 2 is equal to 7. sp2, the CC. Answer: 3 is equal to 2. C to C sigma bonds, benzene ring has 6 C to C sigma bonds, C, ring, C, alkyne 1, is equal to 1, C, alkyne 1, C, alkyne 2, is equal to 1 sigma, part of triple bond, C, alkyne 2, C, carboxyl, is equal to 1, total is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9. Answer: 4 is equal to 9. Pi bonds to carbon, benzene has 3 pi bonds, or they localized, counted as 3, CC has 2 pi bonds, C is equal to O of Q has 1 pi bond to carbon, total is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. Answer: V is equal to 6. Molecule C, cyclic structure with N is equal to N, C is equal to O, gemdimethyl group, Structure: a 6-membered ring containing C is equal to O, C, CH3, 2, N is equal to N, diazo or azo linkage, and CH2 groups. Let ring B, C, is equal to O, CH2, CH3, 2 CH2, N is equal to N, closing back to C, is equal to O. Carbons in ring C is equal to O, sp2, CH2, sp3, C, CH3, 2, sp3, CH2, sp3, plus 2 CH3 groups, sp3. Total C is equal to 4, ring, plus 2, methyl, is equal to 6. sp3, CH2, C, CH3, 2 CH2, CH3, CH3 is equal to 5. Answer, I, is equal to 5. sp2, C, is equal to O, only is equal to 1. Answer, 2, is equal to 1. sp0, answer, 3, is equal to 0. C to C sigma bonds, C, is equal to O, CH2 is equal to 1, CH2, C, CH3, 2 is equal to 1, C, CH3, 2 CH2 is equal to 1, C, CH3, 2 CH3 is equal to 1, C, CH3, 2 CH3 is equal to 1, CH2. Wait, the ring closes through N is equal to N, so no additional C to C ring bond there. C to C bonds, C, is equal to O, CH2, 1 bond, CH2, C, CH3, 2, 1 bond, C, CH3, 2 CH2, 1 bond, C, CH3, 2 CH3, 2 bonds, is equal to 5 C to C sigma bonds. Answer, 4, is equal to 5. Pi bonds to carbon, C is equal to O gives 1 pi bond, total is equal to 1. Answer, V, is equal to 1. Molecule D, 2 cyanomethyl, thiazole with NH at N3, 4, 5 dihydro or aromatic thiazole bearing CH to CN, dash dash. Actually examining the structure, thiazole ring, aromatic, S, C2N3H. Weight NH on thiazole means it's not fully aromatic, it could be 4, 5 dihydrothiazole or 2-thiazoline. The structure shows S is equal to Cn, H, with a double bond between C and S or C and N, and a CH to Cn substituent. Let's treat it as ring SC is equal to N, H, CH is equal to CH, thiazolike, but with NH suggests to imidazoline analog or 4, 5 dihydrothiazole. From the image, thiazole ring with NH means it's likely to cyanomethyl, 4, 5 dihydrothiazole or similar, but the ring drawing shows C is equal to N and CS with NH. Actually, for the answer to work out, I is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 1. Carbons ring has C2, sp2, C is equal to N, C4, sp2 if C is equal to C in ring or sp3, C5, sp3, and EXO, CH2, sp3, dash Cn, sp. With I is equal to 1, 1 sp3 carbon is equal to CH2 of cyanomethyl. With 2 is equal to 3, 3 sp2 carbons is equal to C2 of ring plus C4 is equal to C5 double bond carbons, 2 is equal to 3. With 3 is equal to 1, 1 sp carbon is equal to the C of Cn. So ring C2, sp2, C4, sp2, C5, sp2, with C4 is equal to C5 and C2 is equal to N, CH2, sp3, C, sp, of nitrile. C to C sigma bonds, C to C. No, thiazole C2 bonded to N and S, ring C4, C5 is equal to 1, C5, CH2 is equal to 1, CH2, C, N, is equal to 1, total C to C is equal to 3. Answer, 4, is equal to 3. Pi bonds to carbon, C4 is equal to C5, 1 pi, C2 is equal to N, this is C is equal to N, pi. Bond to carbon is equal to 1, Cn has 2 pi bonds, 1 to carbon is equal to let's count pi bonds to carbon, Cn contributes to pi bonds to carbon, C is equal to C contributes 1, C is equal to N, ring, contributes 1, total is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. Answer, V is equal to 4. Molecule E, H to C is equal to CHC, is equal to O, N, CH3, 2, N, N-dimethylacrylamide, dash dash. Carbons, CH2 is equal to sp2, is equal to CH, sp2, C is equal to O, sp2, N, CH3, sp3, N, CH3, sp3. Total is equal to 5. sp3, 2, to N, CH3. Answer, I, is equal to 2. sp2, 3, CH2 is equal to CH, C is equal to O. Answer, 2, is equal to 3. sp0, answer, 3, is equal to 0. C to C sigma bonds, CH2 is equal to CH, 1 sigma, CH is equal to C, is equal to O, 1 sigma, total C to C is equal to 2. Note, C is equal to O, and bonds are Cn, not C to C. Answer, 4, is equal to 2. Pi bonds to carbon, C is equal to C, 1 pi, C is equal to O, 1 pi, total is equal to 2. Answer, V is equal to 2. Molecule F, 1 methyl, 4 hydroxy, 4 isopropyl dash dash. Structure, cyclohexane with CH3 at C1 or at C4 and isopropyl, CH, CH3, to or C, CH3, to based on image showing H3C, CH, CH3. But image shows H3C with CH3 branching, suggesting the C bearing OH also has two methyls attached, making it a gemdimethyl plus OH is equal to tertiary alcohol, or it's a separate isopropyl group. From image, CH3 at top, C1, or on right, C4, H3C, CH, CH3 at bottom, C4 substituent. So C4 has OH and isopropyl group. Actually re-examining, the carbon-bearing OH also has H3C and CH3 substituents directly is equal to its a quaternary carbon with OH, tertiary alcohol C4, OH, CH3, ring, ring, plus CH3 at C1. Wait, the image shows H3C, CH, CH3 as a substituent, meaning isopropyl is equal to CH, CH3, to attached to C4 and C4 also has OH. So C4 is equal to ring C with OH and CH, CH3, to isopropyl. Carbons, C1, C6, ring, all sp3 is equal to 6, CH3 at C1, sp3, CH, CH3, 2 is equal to CH, sp3, plus 2 times CH3, sp3, is equal to 3 carbons. Total is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 10, sp3, all 10. Answer, I, is equal to 10, sp2, 0, answer, 2, is equal to 0, sp, 0, answer, 3, is equal to 0. C to C sigma bonds, ring has 6, C1, CH3 is equal to 1, C4, CH, isopropyl, is equal to 1, CH, CH3 is equal to 1, CH, CH3 is equal to 1, total is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Answer, 4, is equal to 10. Pi bonds to carbon, 0, answer, V, is equal to 0. All answers match the given solution. Therefore, the correct answer is A. I6, 2, 4, 3, 0, 4, 10, V2, B. I0, 2, 7, 3, 2, 4, 9, V6, C. I5, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 5, V1, D. I1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, V4, E. I2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 4, 2, V2, F. I10, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 10, V0. Therefore, the correct matching is, a matches, I6, 2, 4, 3, 0, 4, 10, V2, B matches, I, 0, 2, 7, 3, 2, 4, 9, V6, C matches, I, 5, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 5, V1, D matches, I, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, V4, E matches, I, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 4, 2, V2, F matches, I, 10, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 10, V0.